In goes the onions. You want to fry this until they're brown and crisp. Not so crispy, but yeah, at least they change color. So now that they are brown, I'm going to add this smoked bacon, because just trying things out, and let's see how it goes. Let's see how it will taste, because I don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen as usual, and I like experimenting. So let's see. We will see how this smoked bacon will change the flavor of the food. And then we have my Pilau masara from Mombasa by my auntie, and I love how it smells. Yeah, so I add just enough according to the amount of rice I have. Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay, that's good too. It's not that strong, so I think 3 will be enough. And a little salt. Now that they are more brown and crispy, everything, I'm going to add my tomatoes. Yeah, I don't know how much I should. I'm just going to add all of it. It's left over from last time. The rice. It's rinsed, and yeah, make sure to wash your rice. Now I'm going to mix it all up so that nothing is left. When making rice, it's important for you to have space to cook, and so use a pot bigger than the amount of rice you're making. Okay? You see? And the other thing, this is the only time I like to use a lot of oil when I'm cooking, because as you can see now, all the oil is gone already. You know, I even feel as if it wasn't enough, but because of the bacon, I'm not going to add any more. So now, yeah. Now let's boil some water and then add that. Okay. To start with, I'm going to use the same exact amount of water that I have the rice, so that I can have room to come and adjust that as it cooks, because I would prefer adding water than it being mashed, but then the rice getting all mashed up. So yeah, so let's start with the exact same amount of water as the rice, and then because I don't like when the meat absorbs the pilau masala at the beginning, like frying the meat in the pilau masala. I like to add this on top. It still cook, but it won't be marinated as much, because now this is the diluted format, or it's more dilute. Because if you were to taste the bacon and this, then totally different. So now that it started to boil, I'm going to reduce the heat to a number 3 and let this cook until, yeah, when the water dries, I come and check if it's cooked. Oh, I forgot. I like to use foil sometimes, or most of the time. If I'm cooking this in a pot, I'll put it in the oven. But today I decided to cook it on this. So let's see how far we've come. So it's dried. You see what I meant? It's actually done. See? So I'm just gonna let it dry, because this is too much. In the oven it dries better, actually. Yeah. And the best way to eat this rice is with a ripe banana. I don't know who invented that, but God bless them, whatever they are. Bless your heart. Yeah, my mom hates it when you do that. We do it anyway. She ain't here to say, "What you gonna do that?" So the rice is done, and I just love it. You see, that's why we needed as much oil, so it won't be dry. The bacon, the chicken, yes, yeah. Anyway, serve it best with a ripe banana. Bye. Au revoir.